Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to track assets using RFID and how to use our RFID Asset app. So the first thing I'm going to do is a bulk update. So I'm going to scan these assets and update the location. So when I press bulk update and then next, my power's on full and I'm connected to my scanner. I can very quickly scan all 10 assets. Now I can remove one if I need to, but I'm just going to press update and select the location and press update. So that could be 100 items that you could update all at once. So it's much faster than doing that using barcoding or manually. So now I'm going to do a stock take. So this is to compare what I'm scanning with the handheld versus what the system says. So I press stock take and I'm going to do a new stock take. And I'm connected to my RFID reader. So I'll select the downstairs office location and create stock take. So we have found, missing, and misplaced. And found is when an item's been scanned and it was supposed to be in this location. Missing is when it has not been scanned and it was supposed to be in this location. And then misplaced is when it was being scanned but it was supposed to be in a different location. So I'll press start and very quickly I've got 10 found. So that's everything that we were looking for. None are currently missing and none are misplaced. And by default a stock take is saved as a draft so that it can be stopped and started again. But once the stock take is complete, we'll click mark as complete. Now I'd like to show the find asset feature. So this is a really useful feature of the system that's helpful in finding missing assets more quickly. So I press find assets and I'm going to type in the ID of the asset that I'm looking for. Select it and press find. Now when it scans the asset, the bar is going to go up and the device is going to beep. As the signal strength gets stronger, the bar goes up. So I can tell which direction the item is. So in this case, it's this knife right there. So I've shown how to find one asset at a time, but there's also a multi-find feature so that you can have a list of missing assets and look for them all at once. So if I press find assets, I'm going to select 2 assets from the list that I'm looking for. And now find 2 assets. So I've got these 2. We've disabled the beep for this feature as it's not as useful, but we have the bars for each asset. So if I start the reader, you can see when I get closer to the screwdriver on the end, it's a stronger signal. When I get closer to the knife, that's stronger. So this is quite a useful feature for finding assets. Thanks everyone for watching. For more information, you can go to our website, TEC-RFID.co.uk, and you can reach out to us to book a personalized demo of our RFID asset tracking software.